If war had broken out, I would have been on my way within just hours to fly to Goose Bay, Labrador, and refuel there, and then take off to bomb Moscow.
Wow.
Yeah.
He had to be shipped back to the States to be cared for. So he ultimately was injured, had to be sent back to the States, and then I was actually sent back to the orphanage.
But every time he did, he'd come out on top. I could tell you Patton stories half the afternoon.
When we got the telephone, she said, oh, it's got to be on the front porch because some of the neighbors couldn't get a telephone.
Now, I don't know anything about football. I said, football? He said, yeah. So okay, I'm a football player. So my brother and my brother-in-law gave me a crash course in football.
So Joe and I start to walk out. And as we come out of the mall area in between the two World Trade Center buildings, I see papers flying